Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, Car Summit. So I have another video for you today. We are working on the 2012 Acura MDX. So we are doing sunshade / rain guard. All right, so I noticed a lot of you guys who watch my content have not subscribed. Just take a little time, pew 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 pew, hit the subscribe button and put notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So without further ado, let's custom it. All right guys, like any other rain guard, gotta clean the surface really thoroughly. Little rubbing alcohol, all the surface that's gonna be the glue on, clean it really well. Okay, looks good. All right guys, here's the rain guard. I believe he bought them from Amazon. I'll put it in the description if I remember, but I think it's Amazon. So here's the rain guard. I already took it out of the box. So now all we have to do is take the little tape off and line up everything. Let's glue it. Well, let's put it. All right, guys, here it is. Looks good. Let's press it down a little more. Okay, next one. Okay, let's put that one on too. Okay, it's installed. Let's go to the next side. Alright guys, the driver's side done. Let's go to the next side. Let's go to the back side. Looking good. There you go guys, all done. Not bad at all. We'll see how this goes when we start driving on the highway to see if they're good quality. Not too bad. Hey guys, I forgot to show you this. The kit come with a sunroof visor as well, so I'm gonna try to install it, but I'm gonna have to try to, well, maybe eyeball it. I'm gonna try to line it up as best as I can and then measure it to make sure I get it exactly how I want. Then I'm gonna use my blue tape to mark it so I can get it as close as possible. So without further ado, let's go try this bad boy. Let's take it out of the plastic so I can really see how to line it up properly. All right guys, so I measure it. It looks like it's 2.5 feet exactly on both sides, which is perfect. So I'm gonna measure from the top here and then the top on the other side to make sure I get that right too. Okay guys, everything looks good. Let's mark the area so I'll know. Okay, now let's take out the 3M backing tape and then try to put it on. Okay. There you go guys, it is done. Not bad. Let's see. Not bad. Looking good. All right, done. All right guys, another project bite to dust. So thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and put the notification bell on so you don't miss any of my videos. Until the next time, peace out.